below. This is Kendra with your message of the day from Pep Inspire Incorporated. The message for today is a prayer, which I hope will help you deal with life's struggles.
Dear God, I come to you in my hour of need. I ask you to touch my mind and uplift my thoughts, change my seeming realities that I'm thinking about my life, change my opinion of what is and what can be. God, I ask that you give me a sense of well-being again. I pray that you help me find my smile, both on my face and in my soul. God, I cannot do this by myself, so I turn to you, and I surrender. In Jesus Christ's name, Amen. If this video and the other videos on our YouTube channel are helpful to you, please share them and become a subscriber to our channel. Also, if you do not have our app, please download the Pep app from the App Store. This will help to get the message of the day automatically sent to your smartphone. We are depending on you to spread the word about this channel to every person you know who is struggling with depression.